Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, founder of Mark Whitehead & Associates, a national disability law firm. Today we're talking about how to prove your Parkinson's disease qualifies you for disability benefits. Parkinson's disease is a progressive disorder that affects the nerve cells in the brain associated with controlling body movements. Our brains continually produce cells that generate the chemical dopamine, responsible for relaying messages between brain and body. For a person with Parkinson's, the brain cells that produce dopamine start to die and can't be replaced. As more cells die, the lack of dopamine hinders the brain's ability to control body movement, resulting in Parkinson's symptoms. The main motor symptoms include tremor, muscle rigidity, slowness of movement, and impaired coordination and balance, including posture, gait, and mobility. Other symptoms include pain, confusion, difficulty swallowing, speech problems, cognitive changes, and dementia. Disability claims for people with Parkinson's disease are often challenged by insurance companies, the Social Security Administration, and the VA. If this has been your experience, it may be time to seek legal help to prove if you are indeed disabled. For a Social Security disability claim, you must prove one of two things. One, your condition meets or equals the medical description of Parkinsonian syndrome found in the Social Security disability listings under Section 11.06. Or, if your condition is not severe enough to meet the SSA listing, you must prove that your condition causes significant functional limitations that disable you from working. The SSA will look at your age, education, work experience, and your residual functional capacity in making such a determination. With skilled preparation and legal counsel, initially denied Parkinson's disability claims can often gain approval from the administrative law judge at the ALJ hearing. The Department of Veterans Affairs presumes that specific disabilities diagnosed in certain veterans were caused by their military service. For Vietnam veterans, Parkinson's disease has been associated with exposure to Agent Orange. Also, if Parkinson's develops following a moderate or severe TBI, you'll be presumptively service-connected for it. The minimum VA disability rating for Parkinson's disease is 30%. Basic requirements must be met, such as a medical diagnosis of Parkinson's disease and evidence of service in Vietnam. The VA then refers to a schedule of disability ratings to determine the level of the veteran's service-connected disability. Parkinson's disease is rated according to the loss of function and the effect on your ability to be employed. If the VA denied you because they said your Parkinson's disability was not service-connected, it existed before service, or it isn't severe enough, you need to consult with qualified legal counsel. Was your Parkinson's claim rejected by your insurance company? Claims examiners may not grasp how it is that you've been able to work for years with Parkinson's disease and now suddenly you can't. Our attorneys routinely work with the medical facts and functional limitations regarding Parkinson's disease and can help you win your claim. For anyone needing help with their claim, our free disability ebooks are a reliable source. The Social Security Disability Puzzle, how to fit the pieces together and win your claim. Veterans Disability Claims, strategies for a winning campaign. Disability Insurance Policies, how to unravel the mystery and prove your claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call us at 281-914-4940 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.